What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently a second theatrical release, Mumbai Saga. And before starting with the movie, I just like its quotes that are really very good. Especially the one is that darkness never stops the day to come. And another thing is, look at these stairs. I'm going up and you are coming down. So life is something like this. All the people, sometimes they are coming from top to down, and some people are gradually making a step from down to upward. So it's a progress that we make, or some there is an incline or decline our life. So that happens in the life of Rao, played by John Ibrahim. And the good thing is that Sanjay Gupta has always made movies in this Mumbai gangster life. So there is crisp in that, and there is charm in that, and the charisma and all this. They really like it, and especially for all those people who really go to theaters and they like to whistle. It is good to give them a piece of life, give them a breath after a long pause. Remember, this industry is almost collapsing, and they really need a breather right now. So that happens right now. So Sanjay Gupta, I really like his movies, especially Kante and Musafir. And after Lokhandwala, this is the second movie that he made about. What happens is that Rao and has a brother, Arjun. Rao is played by John Ibrahim. His brother is Arjun, and his wife, cute Kajal Agrawal, and his father is also very good actor. So they have a very small vegetable stall or place. So what happens is there are goons always coming and asking bribe. Hafta as usual, they get it in 80s and 90s at that time. And Arjun one day get angry that why we have to do this, even we are poor and we have to pay them every time. So he was sitting like this on the bridge. So that guy threw him from the top, and he fell on the railway track, and Rao went there and saved him. But now he didn't want to fight, but now they crossed the limit. That's the another part that I really like it, that this is the limit, and if you will cross, the war will be started by you. So it's a good very chord, and you will really like it, that people really like to whistle all about. And now he had a fight with that guy, and he chopped off his hand, and that gave the signal to Gatonde, who is in the jail and running all this business. So the cops took him into the jail. They brought him into the territory of Gatunde. Gatunde has become a very famous name now in the Bollywood. So what happened? He has made his own empire there, and he wanted to settle the score with Rao. So all these people, they gathered there to beat him, but fortunately he came victorious, and he gave the signal to Gatunde that your time has finished and my time has started now. And the very next day, Bahu comes, and he saw him that this guy has a potential to run the market now. So he got the blessing of Bahu, and all these people now are very close. And then his era has started. That's also another thing that they have. Another part that they have talked about, that every person has its time, and my era will also come. And his era started now. He sent his brother to further education, sent him to UK. So Arjun goes there, and now he is in the market, and he has become something bigger. So that's a conventional story that starts with. And after 12 years, what happened? There is industrialist Sunil. He said that I wanted to finish all these mills and sell them, so that I can make a space for malls, and I can earn some handsome money. This frustrates Rao because he wants to get the voters' attention, and he really don't want to lose this chance. Otherwise, all these voters will be gone. So he is trying to teach him a lesson verbally, but he is not interested in listening. So Sunil approached Gatunde and said that this is happening. So Gatunde got the chance. This is his time now to settle the score, the previous grudges that he hold. So what happens is his brother, Rao's brother Arjun, comes back on a very short visit, and Gatunde said, we know it that his major weakness is his brother. Why not I finish him so that I can settle the score? So instead of doing the Sunil's work, he has his settling his own grudge, and Fortunately, Arjun escaped, and he he was saved, and he went away harmless. And now Roy got the idea. Now he has to do something, and in the middle of the day, Rao finishes Sunil. There starts the story. So now his wife, the widow, she goes to the police station and tells them that whosoever kills Rao get 10 crore. At the first half, they set the plot, and in the second half, Imran Hashmi enters the game. This is the only turning point that you have to watch it, and you will really enjoy it. I don't want to show further what happens, but this is one of the amazing scenes that happen. But overall, it is very good. The plot is entertaining, but when you know that Imran Hashmi is there, there is always zigzag, there is always monkey business that he is into, and you will really like it. So kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And further, oh, look at, thank you so much for further. So thank you so much. Have a great week. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and keep watching and support them. Bye bye.